Je plonge à l'envers, attiré par l'extase. Un tourbillon vert illumine les sirènes. Le reflet des flambeaux dans du vomi turquoise. Le plus beau des voyages, c'est la fête foraine. Le plus beau des voyages, c'est la fête foraine. La fête foraine.
So, we're gonna camp at this state park that we found like a little bit ago, but we decided not to because it was $45. So, said screw that. Then we went to a hotel and got our room, and it was moldy and smelled terrible. So we changed rooms and it smelled terrible and was still terrible. So we got a refund, and then we came to this amazing spot and got this free camping spot right on the beach. So we're balling out. We found your local California hobo here.
That's some organic garlic.
Oh, you say organic garlic? What? Like that.
Traçant un arc dans la nuit.
Lug nut. What's on your nose? You look like you put concealer on. Do you not like the color of your nose?
Jeux dans lesquels je me crois main. Je suis seul avec l'or de l'eau. Sous la surface de l'eau. De l'autre côté du comptoir. Cercle céleste dessiné par les cris. Mes lunettes effilochent le spectre des fontaines. Les yeux collés au ciel, tous les visages brillent. Le plus beau des voyages, c'est la fête foraine. Le plus beau des voyages, c'est la fête foraine. Oh, la fête foraine.
Dark, but we are chilling in our really quiet spot at the casino. Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
I got this nice sweatshirt. Ooh. I'm releasing my bra.
Okay, we're tangled now.
Bye, guys.
Be patient. Tyler is sorting our rocks.
It's important, guys.
So we made it home, and we are super stoked to be here on the West Coast where it's foggy and cool. And I got a toque on. We got sweaters on. It's pretty sweet that we're both wearing my design, which is kind of cool. That one's super cool now. We went and collected more rocks. We got tons on this trip. Basically, just wanted to say a super quick thank you to everybody who helped us get on this crazy journey. So huge thanks to Chad Capper for helping sponsor us to get there. That was great. Thank you so much. Huge thanks to Drib, who rode a riot. Huge thanks to Brain FPV. You guys are just the greatest. We love you guys.
Big thanks to Newbie Drone too.
Oh my gosh.
You guys
Newbie
are
Drone.
awesome, like stepped out of nowhere and helped us out. Really cool, so we're excited to work with you guys.
We really wanted to come see you guys down in San Diego, I think it is.
Yeah.
But we just didn't go that way, and we were really tired of the heat.
Thanks Alien Whoop also. They were really awesome and helped us out and sent us a whoop, which was awesome.
Now we can move together.
Yeah.
Whoopie.
Also, Henry Flyby Academy, you're amazing. We camped in your parking or your grass last night, and he hooked us up with some goodies. So
he bought us dinner, and we've been really hungry. We've been like low on money more and more as we get further close to home. We got next to none. But Henry bought us some awesome Chinese food and hooked us up with a care package on our way out, and we were able to camp on his front lawn. So that was really nice because, yeah, we needed the freebies. We evaded a bunch of storms, hurricanes, you name it. It was interesting. It was in an 83 Toyota Corolla.
side note, check out this beautiful bag of various color rocks. Kind of hard to tell. Everything.
I don't think he liked the car ride.
No.
Yeah, he was like, no, I need to run. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for tuning in and following our journey. Hopefully we can have some more. We're thinking about so many different possibilities for the future. So.